Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the password of your Nintendo Switch account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On a web browser, go to nintendo.com and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Tap on your user icon in the top right corner, then choose Settings. In Settings, tap on Sign In and Security Settings. Then select Change Password. You now need to fill in your current password and then tap OK. Enter your new password and then enter it again below to confirm it, and then tap Submit. Your Nintendo password has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.